Updating your billing information with Bell Canada is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bell Canada website and log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, locate the Billing or Account Management section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select Update Billing Information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter new information. You will be prompted to enter your new billing information such as credit card details or bank account information. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new billing information, review it for accuracy and then confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email once the update is successful. Make sure to keep your billing information up to date to avoid any service interruptions. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Bell Canada customer support for assistance.